problem. Survivor from the stadium. If that guy talks, he'll ID you.
Survivor? How did that happen?
Sorry.
I'm guessing he didn't die. Now, relax. I got a plan. Meet me at Gorman Heights on the rooftop.
Y es una embustera. No deberías hacerle caso. Espera, seguro que no dejas que los asuntos personales interfieran en las cuestiones empresariales. Da igual. Si vas a tratar con ella, deberías hacerlo sin mí. Y te lo digo completamente.
There we go. Nice. All right. Here's a little something.
Where is he? Jordi can be a pain to work with. He's the devil I know. If things were different, I might be hunting him down. Or vice versa. But if he says we got a problem, I need to take it as a massive understatement. Can't let the survivor ID me. Everything's gonna spiral out of control. Oh, fuck. Jordy, who are they?
Well, they live here.
What happened?
Well, security in these buildings is pretty tight. So people like this feel nice and secure living way up here. I mean, these people just had a simple chain lock on their door. I guess they want to have a good look at the pizza guy before they open it all the way.
All right, fine, sure. So about this problem.
Well, that's why I brought the bolt cutters. He opens the door this much, there's a chain right there, I slip him in and snip, and guess what? It's not the pizza guy.
Jordy, the problem, let's deal with it.
We are dealing with it. We're in the midst of solutions here, Pierce. You don't appreciate what I do for you. You don't realize how much I take care of you, do you?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, do me a favor, let's get on with it. How much time do we have?
Not as much as we need. Oh, you remember the stiff from the stadium? He's not so stiff anymore. The cops got him in Chicago lockup, and oh, he's about to walk into an interrogation and point a finger right at you.
How did that happen?
Kick me when I'm down. Look at the view. See there? Call went out this morning. Somebody's paying buku bucks to grab this clown and make him talk. And one of those guys is running the assignment.
Well, it seems like me and him need to have a little chat.
Yeah, but this time, don't do that empty gun thing. Poor Maurice pissed himself after your last show.
Don't worry about my methods. You know how to use that thing?
Just get your ass down there, I got you covered. And don't kill the boss this time. You kinda need him.
You think?
Let's make this quick, okay? My balcony hosts are moaning, and that stuff gives me migraines. I get a migraine, Pierce. I am useless to you.
You think you're the only one who wants this quick?
How should I know what you want?
Not big on empathy, are you?
Not particularly.
What's up with this fixer contract? What are they looking for?
You. Somebody wants the vigilante, big time. They're about to fake a prisoner transfer to bust out the one witness who can ID you. I've never seen them gather up this kind of manpower, though.
They know I'll try and stop them. Listen, the witness knows my face. If the fixers reach him, if my name gets out there, they'll come after my family.
Ah, the F word. You're too sentimental, Pierce. That's a weakness. Somebody's gonna play that against you someday. I cover you where I can, but I can't see everybody. All right, let's do this.
Huh? Whoa.
Little help here? Can't see. Yeah, I see you, pal. Hope you're watching this guy.
Suspicious object sighted. We're going to investigate.
Targets, you're gonna have to do that little thing that you do.
inside that office.
He's all yours.
Hold on. Stop.
Who's assigned to the prison job?
What? Man, I don't know what you're talking about.
Lance Brenner. As a family.
What are you doing?
I'm asking you how your family is. Looks like you got two lives going at once. Family man. Yeah, the kids are gonna be in college soon. It's pricey for a union rep.
Fuck you.
Yeah, and there's also the second life. Ghost accounts with a lot of money in them. Hey. Do you know that your name is tied to a whole bunch of cold cases? I bet the cops would love a chat.
Okay, hold on. You want a piece of the cash? I can cut you in.
You're wasting my time.
All right. Fuck. Prison job. It's Angelo Tucci. He's running a convoy. It's too late. You'll never find him.
Who says I want him? Bet he's got a family in town.
Why do you want his family? The fuck is wrong with you?
I wouldn't know where to begin.
Wake up, Pierce. More fixtures incoming.
How bad?
Remember Kinderhook?
Shit.
Stop. Cut you in.
Always gotta do things the hard way, huh?
You know me.
I know you need to get moving. I'll finish up here. Wake up, Pierce. More fixtures incoming.
How bad?
Remember Kinderhook?
Shit.
Always gotta do things the hard way, huh?
You know me.
I know you need to get moving.
We could use some
I'll
help.
finish up here.
Shit! Go ahead, I'll catch up.
available backup. Shit, I lost him. Hit him! Ram him! Watch it!
Don't have a clear shot. Repositioning.
Keep searching. See anyone? Think we lost the target? Damn it! You have any idea how much this guy's worth?
Hey, you never called me back. Did you find the guy we traced?
Yeah, some bad history there. Listen, I need to find someone else. This time I have a name, Helena Tucci. She's related to a guy I'm after.
Does she live in Chicago?
Yeah, I need a location right now.
Got her. Wow, she's got a serious digital footprint. Okay, this morning she posted about a meeting today outside the Willis Tower.
All right, I'll call you when I'm there. I may need more help.
Well, the controversial re-election of Mayor Rushmore continues. Insiders are saying it was his decision to implement the Smart City Infrastructure Program, known as CTOS Network, that boosted his re-election campaign. But critics are pointing to the recent disruptions to the network, where bridges move on their own and traffic lights have shut down. Critics say it just proves one more hasty decision was made by the flamboyant mayor.
Hey.
How goes it? If you're looking for anything special, just ask. Pleasure doing business with you.
All decked out in tardy heels and a short dress. Pretty sweet. That food was good. Fucking
Hello?
cost me a fortune.
Yeah. Enjoy the merchandise.
Okay, I'm at the Willis Tower. What do you got on Helena?
Looking through his status updates, she likes selfies. Here she is making a duck face, a sparrow face. She loves her cats too. Why are you targeting this clueless girl?
I'm not. I need to find her uncle fast, and Helena's gonna point the way.
Okay, here's something. She posted a pic this morning. Her outfit for the day. Dark hair and glasses. And she's showing off a green backpack.
Thank you, social media. That's a start.
I'll keep digging.
Path to enlightenment is found through study. Give us reason.
Hi, can you please do what I'm asking?
Don't get all in a huff. I don't know how this television thingy works. I think it's recording.
Don't record now.
Oh, poor girl.
What's that?
I've got her medical records. She had an abortion last year. That might explain the therapist she's seeing.
Okay, Helena. You're up.
Hello?
Miss Tucci? I'm Dr. Hyatt with the Chicago General Hospital. We received your Uncle Angelo's blood work, but you're the only number he gave us. Do you know where we can reach him? It's urgent.
No, sorry. I haven't heard from my uncle in years.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
Hey, Uncle Angie.
Elena, you need concert tickets again?
No, listen. I got a weird call. I think the cops are looking for you.
What? Damn it, you calling me just gave them a trace. Hang up now.
Gotcha. Where are you, Angelo Tucci? There you are.
Angelo Tucci. This guy's leading the prison transfer for my witness. Somebody's paying Tucci for the vigilante's identity. Somebody wants my name. Good luck with that.
Through study. Give us read. Trust me. All this
I'm getting a little nervous here, Pierce. You find him?
I'm tracking his GPS. Cut him off before he reaches the prison.
Nice.
Please state the nature of your emergency. The police! We're gonna need them fast!
I need to find a way inside that prison. Go face to face with my witness.
You still have contacts in the prison?
I already asked if they could make our guys slip in the shower. They're dirty, but they're not that dirty.
I'm gonna get arrested.
Of course you are. Why the hell are you doing that?
This witness we're after, he's a nobody. He was in the wrong place at the wrong time. He wasn't looking for me. I don't want to kill him. I just want him to understand I can reach him anywhere, anytime.
That is a terrible plan. I love it. I'll find a map of the joint, talk you through it once you're inside. Anything you need?
My phone?
Jesus, you have a problem. You need to unplug.
Jordy, I need my phone. They'll confiscate it the second I'm in.
Yeah, I know. I'm fucking with you. I got just the guy. He's begging to settle his debt. Just get your phone.
Palin Correctional Center. They recently upgraded the place with Bloom's state-of-the-art security. Network locks, automated surveillance. If they were holding the guy in an older prison, I'd have a problem. But Bloom's right on this one. They do make life easier through technology.
Freeze! Stop the gun! Get on the floor, now! Hand behind your head. Do it!
Go.
Tell Jordy we're even now.
Don't move. Pierce. Hayden.
Never again! Smith!
I already told you, man. You ain't never gonna find it until it's stuck between your shoulder blades. Yeah, get in there. I got 20 minutes of rec time, motherfucker. Suck it up.
Jordy, I'm inside.
Obviously.
Cut the shit. I should have sent you in here. This was your mistake.
You might want to keep it down. You'll end up with a free trip to solitary. I can't get you out.
I'm gonna find the inmate schedule. I'll be in touch.
Jordy, I found the schedule. Where's the exercise yard?
Up top.
Well, people, did you vote for Rushmore? If you did, I'm sorry. That was me. This is some heavy, heavy shit. We knew the numbers we'd need for when we targeted the population. The CTOS worked out what specific messages people needed to hear. We're to display them. Not subliminal either. Right there in your face. Hell, even I voted for him. Of course, management mandated it.
There, that.
As if I didn't have enough to worry about. Yeah, I'll get someone to come out and take a look.
If I remember right, this guy had his own Picasso ink all over his face. Ugly as shit. It makes him an easy mark. He's up here somewhere.
Change of plan. Our prisoner transfer was a bust. So your plan B. What do you need us to do? Whatever it takes to get this guy talking. You got it.
Hello.
Somebody set up an execution.
Now, how to get you off the roof.
Nah, man. You need to stop worrying about that dude. He ain't real.
Hey, who says I have to be moved? Who are you guys? What about my lawyer? Where are we going? Answer me! Show me the paperwork!
Shut up?
Where's my lawyer?
We're taking you to your
No!
lawyer.
No way!
Right after we clean
What
you
are you
up
gonna do?
first.
I ain't going with a
Shut
bunch of crooked...
the fuck up!
Damn, better reach him fast before they kill him. That's a problem. Some guards just took our guy.
Fuck, basement. They're in the basement. Like there's quite the little crooked operation being run out of this joint. Look at you, bringing justice back to the prison system.
Floor's empty. Door's wide open.
No silent alarms have gone off. Watch your back.
What's a couple of bottom feeders doing at the stadium? Doing a deal without cutting us in? Think we don't have friends in high places? They expect a cut too.
No! I told you already. It wasn't a deal. We got called, man.
Fuck that trick. Stop lying. You won't leave you for dead too.
I can't take more. I'll tell you when I go. I swear. Please, man, I swear.
And your buddy? What happened to him? Where's he now?
I don't fucking know. They got him.
Body bag!
Come on, give yourself up. inside! Stay down! Watch your backs!
Target sighted. Moving in. Shit! Put it over my head. If you're gonna do it... Go on, finish it! Finish it!
Watch your back!
Help! Somebody!
Relax.
You're inside. How'd you get inside, man?
You know, it was pretty simple. These high-tech security prisons, they make it quite easy, really. Have we met?
What?
Have we met?
No. No, I never seen you, man.
Yeah, I didn't think so. So you're in here for 60 days. In good behavior, you're out in 30. What does that say?
60 years? What are you doing, man?
I'm just showing you an alternate future. You know, in case you get the urge to share your stories or make a deal with the cops. We're clear, right?
All units, possible prison escape. Be on the lookout for white male Joe Smith.
I need a unit up to the laundry. We've lost communication. Copy. We're on it.
Jordi, it's done.
Fantastic. I'm guessing you're eager to get out of there. There's a care package on its way for you.
Where?
Don't worry, you'll see it.
All units be advised. Suspect has been located. Officers requesting backup.
Okay. I am stuck right in the middle of a conspiracy theorist's wet dream. And to be honest, there's no place I'd rather be. This is fucking awesome. My new job? Get inside Rushmore's head. But we got the funding we needed, so now there's this new deal. I don't know who's paying, but now...
All units, air support requested once.
We will shoot you! We will shoot you! We will shoot you!
I'll try to split him.
Give it up! Pull over!
This is the police. Pull over now.
Stop! Pull over!
I gotta hit him. We're back on the suspect. Got a grip on him. We're gonna clip him. Stop your vehicle and give yourself up.
patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
That plan actually worked. Identity's safe. Now, Lena's attackers. I want the one responsible. Damien bragged about a second hacker. Someone else inside the Merlaut. I need to find out what Damien knows.